What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. My software business, I just received another $200 commission right into my account. As you can see right here, that's from my merchant account. And this happened 35 minutes ago with my software business, right? So these commissions keep coming in. I'm telling you, there are a ton of affiliate marketers that need this tool, right? If you can share a phone number, okay, if you like to have a virtual assistant helping you answer the questions to your prospects and help you close that $200 commission, okay, you want to get started with the team. You want to pay attention to what we have here with my software business. So awesome thing is that these payments are instantly. So you can choose to get paid via PayPal, or you can use Cash App or Venmo or Zelle. You can use whatever payment method and you get paid directly instantly to your account. That's another awesome thing about, being part of an affiliate marketing program where you get instant payments. You don't have to wait every 2 weeks to get paid. You don't have to wait to get paid once a month. You get paid, right? If you make a commission, you get paid instantly that day. So that's what I wanted to go ahead and review. And this commission came through today. And I'm going to just show you here. Earlier today, I posted another $300 commission came through this morning. So as you can see right here, I'm just going to move myself a little bit. But this is another story that I published. And that was another $300 commission that came through this morning. So far, it's been a $500 day today. And it's been absolutely amazing. That's the $200 commission that just came through. And I'm just showing there the just on the Facebook story, right? So I'm going to show you exactly, what strategies you need to use to start creating the results that you want, right? And of course, it all comes down to your dedication, to your effort, how much dedication and effort you're putting towards your business when it comes to creating results. So with my software business, just a really quick review, you do earn the 100% commissions. Okay, a lot of people love that. And again, you get paid instantly once you make that commission. And the company gives you your own phone number, right? And what you do, you share that phone number and you have your virtual assistant helping you close your sales. Okay, another thing is that you get 100 bonus credits, right? So that people can call and text the phone number so that your virtual assistant communicates with them. And then, of course, you earn the $200 per commission. And then the really awesome thing, let me know if you want the full details about the 12 softwares that you're going to be using that you can also promote. It's already included. You don't have to pay anything additionally to get access to the 12 different softwares that you can utilize for yourself, for your business, to help you generate more leads and possibly sales on autopilot. So that is part of the package. And then, of course, since I do like to over deliver, and it's really important to me that my team members are able to duplicate my results, right? I pretty much show you my step-by-step training. You're going to get access to the 6K blueprint, right? This is the 6K blueprint. I show you exactly how to get started, how to set up all of your payment options that you want to use. And then also you get added to my Facebook coaching group. So once you get started, go ahead and let me know. Go ahead and visit the website, digitalprofitsmarketing.com. Get started with the team. The very first step is to create your account. So you'll see the button below once you enter the website, and you can click on it, and then it's going to take you to create your account. And then you can watch the video of Jeff, which is the creator of the system, and he'll show you exactly how to get started, right? So this is the 6K blueprint, right? You're going to be able to get access to how to create your automated sales funnel, my Facebook marketing strategies that I've used to completely crush it with this opportunity, what to say when people ask you for information. Okay, you already have pre-written ads that I give you just to get you up and running and start marketing the opportunity. And then also, I'm going to show you how to get 100 free marketing cards. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use this powerful offline strategy. If you're somebody that doesn't like to use social media and you want to use this offline strategy, that's completely fine, right? I'm going to show you how to do that strategically. And then also the Craigslist strategy, how to find unlimited leads on Craigslist without posting any ads. That's another good one. And then you're going to see also this one here, which is my favorite, how to earn unlimited leads with this lead machine strategy. You can have this strategy working for you 24/7. So go ahead and get started. After you get started, message me directly so I can add you to our coaching group and give you access to the 6K blueprint. Other than that, take action, and I will see you at the top.